Installing Android apps on your Hisense Smart TV.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to download and install Android apps on your Hisense Smart TV. The process is quite straightforward and we'll be guiding you through each step to make it as simple as possible. This will allow you to unlock even more entertainment options on your Hisense TV, enhancing your overall viewing experience. Let's get started.
Checking your Hisense Smart TV's operating system.
First things first, you need to make sure that your Hisense Smart TV is running on an Android operating system. Hisense TVs typically run on different platforms including Android, Roku, or their proprietary system, Vita U. If your Hisense TV is not an Android TV, it won't support direct Android apps download. You can check your TV's operating system by going to Settings, About, Device Information. Here, you should see the information related to the operating system of your TV.
Using Google Play Store on your Hisense Android TV.
If you confirm that your Hisense Smart TV is indeed an Android TV, you can utilize the built-in Google Play Store to download apps. 1. On your Hisense TV, navigate to the main menu or press the Home button on your remote. 2. Look for the Google Play Store app among your applications. If you can't see it directly, you might need to scroll down or look in your full applications list. 3. Open the Google Play Store app. 4. Once you're in, you can browse or search for the app that you want to download. When you find it, click on the app. 5. Press the Install button to download and install the app on your Hisense Android TV. 6. After the installation is complete, you can access your newly downloaded app from the main menu or within your list of applications.
What if my Hisense TV is not an Android TV?
If you find out that your Hisense TV doesn't run on Android, you won't be able to directly install Android apps. However, there are still ways to access the content available on those apps. You can use a streaming device or a media stick like the Google Chromecast, Amazon Fire Stick, or Roku Stick. These devices can be plugged into your TV and they have their own app stores from where you can download apps. You can also use game consoles, like PlayStation or Xbox, that allow you to download and use apps. Use your smartphone to cast content to your Hisense Smart TV. Both Android and iOS phones have this feature. That wraps up our guide to downloading and installing Android apps on your Hisense Smart TV. Remember, the first step is to make sure your Hisense TV runs on Android. If it does, then downloading apps from the Google Play Store is a breeze. If not, don't worry. You still have plenty of options to enjoy your favorite content. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and enjoy your enhanced viewing experience.